Welcome to Neurogenic. This is the place where neuroscience meets personal transformation. On this channel, we explore how the brain truly works and how understanding your mind can help you build focus, discipline, and powerful habits. If you have ever struggled with motivation, procrastination, or distraction, the answer may not be a lack of willpower. The answer may lie in the chemistry of your brain. Imagine waking up every day with strong motivation to work on your goals. Imagine feeling energized when you start learning new things, exercising, building a business, or improving your life. Many people believe this level of motivation belongs only to a few extraordinary individuals. But neuroscience tells us something very different. Inside your brain, there is a powerful system that controls motivation and desire. This system is driven by a neurotransmitter called dopamine. Most people think dopamine is simply the pleasure chemical. But in reality, dopamine is much more important than pleasure. Dopamine is the chemical that pushes you to pursue goals. Thousands of years ago, humans relied on dopamine to survive. Early humans needed motivation to hunt, explore, build shelter, and solve problems. When the brain detected a possible reward, such as food or safety, dopamine was released. That dopamine created energy and focus to pursue the reward. In the modern world, this same system still controls our behavior. Dopamine influences whether you feel motivated to work, learn, build, and grow. But something has changed dramatically in the environment around us. Today, we live in a world full of instant rewards. Social media feeds refresh endlessly. Short videos provide constant entertainment. Notifications trigger curiosity every few minutes. Fast food delivers quick pleasure. Digital platforms are carefully designed to keep your brain engaged for as long as possible. Each of these experiences creates a burst of dopamine inside the brain. At first, this may not seem harmful, but when these spikes happen constantly, your brain begins to adapt. The brain starts expecting quick and easy rewards. Over time, activities that require patience begin to feel less interesting. Reading a book feels harder. Studying requires more effort. Working toward long-term goals feels exhausting. The brain has simply been trained to prefer fast rewards instead of meaningful progress. This does not mean your brain is broken. It simply means your brain has adapted to its environment. And the powerful truth is that your brain can adapt again. Neuroscience shows that the brain is constantly reshaping itself based on your habits. This ability is known as neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity means that your brain can form new neural pathways and weaken old ones depending on what you repeatedly do. Every time you repeat a behavior, your brain strengthens the pathway associated with that behavior. If you repeatedly seek instant entertainment, the neural circuits for distraction become stronger. If you repeatedly practice focus, the circuits for concentration become stronger. Your brain is always learning from your actions. Think about your brain like a system that is always asking one question: what behaviors should I get better at in order to survive and succeed in this environment? The answer it chooses depends on what you repeatedly do each day. If your days are filled with distractions, your brain becomes extremely efficient at distraction. If your days are filled with deep focus and learning, your brain becomes extremely efficient at concentration and growth. This means that motivation is not only an emotional experience. Motivation is a biological response shaped by the patterns you repeat. Many people believe they need to feel motivated before they begin working on something important. But neuroscience shows that action often creates motivation. When you start working on a meaningful task, your brain begins releasing dopamine related to progress and anticipation. As progress becomes visible, your brain associates effort with reward. This process gradually trains the brain to enjoy the pursuit of goals. Another important factor in motivation is anticipation. Dopamine levels often rise when the brain expects a meaningful reward in the future. This is why setting clear goals can increase motivation. When your brain can see a future reward, it becomes more willing to invest energy in pursuing that reward. Imagine training your brain to associate effort with progress. Each time you complete a task, improve a skill, or move closer to your goals, your brain strengthens the neural circuits responsible for persistence. Over time, this process transforms your mindset. The activities that once felt difficult slowly become natural. Discipline begins to feel normal. Focus becomes easier. Motivation appears more frequently because the brain has learned that effort leads to progress. At this moment, if you are enjoying this deep exploration of how your brain works, take a moment to subscribe to Neurozenic. This channel is designed for people who want to understand the science behind motivation, focus, and personal growth. By learning how the brain operates, you gain the ability to guide your own transformation. Now, let us explore another important aspect of the brain's motivation system. The brain responds strongly to challenge. When a task is challenging but still achievable, the brain becomes highly engaged. The state of deep engagement is often called the flow state. During flow, your attention becomes fully absorbed in the activity you are performing. Time seems to move differently. Your brain releases chemicals that enhance concentration, creativity, and learning. Athletes experience this during intense training. Artists experience it while creating. Scientists experience it while solving complex problems. Flow is one of the most productive mental states a human can experience. However, constant distractions make it difficult to enter this state. Every time you interrupt your focus, your brain has to reset its attention. This reduces your ability to maintain deep concentration. Training your brain to focus again requires intentional practice. When you dedicate uninterrupted time to meaningful work, your brain gradually strengthens the circuits responsible for sustained attention. Over weeks and months, your ability to concentrate improves significantly. Another powerful factor that influences motivation is physical movement. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain and supports the production of important neurotransmitters, including dopamine. People who exercise regularly often experience improved mood, better memory, and stronger mental clarity. Sleep also plays a critical role in maintaining a healthy motivation system. During sleep, the brain resets many of its chemical processes. When sleep is poor, the brain struggles to regulate dopamine and other important neurotransmitters. As a result, motivation and focus decrease. Proper sleep allows the brain to restore its energy and maintain balanced chemical activity. Nutrition also affects brain performance. The brain requires nutrients to produce neurotransmitters and maintain healthy neural communication. Balanced nutrition supports cognitive function and emotional stability. When sleep, movement, nutrition, and focus are aligned, the brain operates far more effectively. Motivation becomes more stable, energy levels improve, learning becomes easier. Imagine applying these principles consistently over time. Imagine gradually reducing unnecessary distractions and replacing them with meaningful activities that challenge your brain. Imagine strengthening your focus day by day. Imagine training your brain to associate effort with progress rather than discomfort. Over months and years, this process can completely transform your life. Your ability to learn increases. Your ability to work deeply improves. Your confidence grows as you see consistent progress. The brain you have today is not fixed. It is a living system constantly adapting to your experiences and habits. The choices you make each day shape the structure and function of your brain. Before we finish this video, remember one powerful truth. Your brain becomes better at whatever you practice. If you practice distraction, your brain becomes distracted. If you practice focus, your brain becomes focused. If you practice discipline, your brain becomes disciplined. Every small decision contributes to the architecture of your mind. If this video helped you understand your brain in a new way, subscribe to Neurozenic and share this knowledge with someone who wants to unlock their full mental potential. Your brain is the most powerful tool you will ever possess. Train it with intention, strengthen it with meaningful challenges, and guide it toward a future filled with growth, clarity, and success. Thank you for being part of Neurozenic. Your journey of mastering the mind continues with the next video.